presentation compares two companies using different accounting standards. Ford, founded in 1903 and the headquarters in Dearborn, Michigan in the United States, follows generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, which are predominantly used in the United States. On the other hand, Yamaha, founded in 1887 and the headquartered in Hamamatsu, Japan, using the International Financial Reporting Standard, IFRS, which are followed by most other countries. Accounting diversity between these two companies can be observed in 6 key areas. First, differences in financial statement included in annual report. Ford accounting is detailed, categorizing revenue stream and operational costs, while Yamaha focus on liquidity and solvency, classifying assets and liabilities as current or non-current. Secondly, the differences in format used to present individual financial statement, which Ford is the indirect method, while Yamaha is direct method. Third, the differences in the level of detail provided in the financial statement. Ford is focused on as-house quantitative disclosures, while Yamaha is focused on balance of quantitative disclosures with narrative explanation. Fourth, the differences in terminology, where for Ford is using stockholders' equity, while Yamaha is using shareholders' equity. Also, Ford is accounting using allowance, while Yamaha accounting using provision. Fifth, the differences in disclosure practices. Ford is using quantitative focused disclosures, while Yamaha is using principle-based approach, combining qualitative and quantitative data. And lastly, the differences in recognition and measurement principle. Ford principle is based on historical cost accounting, while Yamaha principle is based on fair value accounting.
Next, foreign currency transaction. Ford generally select the local currency as the fractional currency. The company translates monetary asset and liability that are denominated in foreign currency into its fractional currency. In 2023, positive exchange movement, predominantly yen depreciation, leveraged Yamaha to enhance total revenue. Transaction of foreign currency. Ford use foreign currency translation technique that comply with the US GAAP for the consideration of its financial statement into its reporting currency, which is the US dollar, USD. Use the current rate method for translation. Ford combines the financial statement of most of its US subsidiary into USD.
Good morning, Dr. Suraiya. Today I'll be presenting my section on strengths or weaknesses and limitations or challenges. I'll begin with the strengths or weaknesses section. Ford's financial reporting strength lies in its strict adherence to GAAP, ensuring precision and transparency, which enhances stakeholder trust. Yamaha, aligned with IFRS, provides globally comparable insights into liquidity and solvency, including strategic narratives like investments in renewable energy. However, Ford's GAAP framework can be rigid, sometimes overlooking broader economic trends and failing to reflect current market values during fluctuations. Yamaha faces challenges with currency volatility, especially the yen's depreciation, which impacts operating income and complicates financial planning, while its reliance on fair value principles may cause valuation instability in volatile markets. Now I'll move on to the limitations or challenges. Both Ford and Yamaha face significant limitations in managing global operations. Ford struggles with exchange rate complexity as fluctuations increase operational costs despite hedging efforts. Additionally, managing subsidiaries in different currencies can obscure operational performance due to OCI adjustments. Yamaha, with its exposure to multiple currencies, faces complications in consolidations and translation adjustments. Both companies also grapple with financial forecasting as currency fluctuations affect costs and require constant financial revisions. To address these challenges, both must carefully manage their currency exposures and hedging strategies. Well, that is all from me. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Kibashin Ramadas. My metric number is 221240302 from 2020. So today I'm going to present my part for comparative discussion and discuss emerging issue of the topic. So for comparative discussion, the financial statement presentation differs between Ford, which follows GAAP, and Yamaha, which adheres to IFRS. Ford provides detailed schedules, while Yamaha emphasizes current and non-current classifications. In their cash flow statements, Ford uses the indirect method, whereas Yamaha employs the direct method. Ford focuses heavily on exhaustive quantitative data, whereas Yamaha balances financial data with strategic narratives. Terminology also varies, with Ford using US-specific terms and Yamaha adopting globally accepted terms. Additionally, Ford primarily applies historical cost accounting, whereas Yamaha incorporates fair value accounting in line with IFRS standards. Next, we'll discuss emerging issue of the topic. IFRS leads ESG reporting with its sustainability disclosure standards, while GAAP is gradually integrating ESG factors. Digital transformation, including AI and blockchain, enhances financial integrity and reporting for Ford and Yamaha. Convergence efforts between GAAP and IFRS improve global comparability, while both companies manage foreign currency risk through hedging. Evolving regulations in the US and Japan require continuous adaptation to maintain compliance and trust. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Conclusion is Ford Motor using GAAP accounting method, meanwhile Yamaha Motor using IFRS accounting method. This method for Ford emphasizes transparency and regulatory compliance, focus on full information discharge, less responsible to market dynamic. And Yamaha globally comparative and fair value accounting, qualitative insight and faces market uncertainty. Common strength for both is flexibility in digital transformation, financial market integration and ESG integration. However, this also have a challenges, which is exchange rate management, maintaining value accuracy for both accounting method. The future outlook for both accounting method for Ford and Yamaha is to align global changes and also to focus on continuous growth. Thank you. That is all from us.